Hello guys, today in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add non-Steam games to Steam. You can add any game or even program/application installed on your PC to your library. Let's start. Launch Steam. Click the Games menu, choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. Browse for games on your computer or put a check next to the games you wish to add to the library. Click on Add Selected Programs. If the game or program is not in the list, you can click Browser to select game or program. The game will appear in here, but there is one problem: the name. Let's change it. Follow my steps. That's it, we changed even the name of the game. And now your friends see what you play in Steam. Thanks for watching.